And now we come to the more exciting part of the pageant, the question and answer portion. Candidate number 1, step forward please. Number 1 na po yung bumubuo. Candidate number 1, your question. I have read in your biodata that you love astronomy.
Yes, sir.
So your question would be, what for you is the most important planet in the solar system?
Well, I think the most important planet in the solar system is the planet Mercury.
Mercury? Why Mercury?
Dahil sa Mercury, nakakasigurado tayong gamot ay laging bago. Salamat po.
Next candidate, please. Candidate number 2, do you want an easy or a difficult question?
Dahil naniniwala tayo bilang mayor ng presidente, tayo ay matalino at mapagmasid sa mga nangyayari sa ating lipunan. I want easy.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No problem. Do you have a cell phone?
Yes.
Thank you very much. And next candidate, please.
Thank you for that question.
Wala pa. Your question. If you were to become an animal, what animal would you like to be?
Well, thank you for that question. If I were to become an animal, I would like to be an amphibian.
An amphibian. Interesting. Why amphibian?
Because amphibians are animals that can live both land and water.
And that is correct. Can you give us an example of an amphibian?
A frog.
How about another example?
Another frog.
Thank you so much. Next candidate, please. Bakit ka ba may belt sa silya?
Hindi ko rin po alam.
How about you? Easy or difficult?
You know what, ladies and gentlemen, I'm studying at St. Sebastian College, Recoletos, taking up Bachelor of Science, major broadcast journalism. And I am proud cum laude at the La Salle University of Dasmariñas, Cavite. So shoot me the most difficult question, please.
Oh, I would love this. Here we go. If you were to become the next president of the Republic of the Philippines, would you consider continuing the Build program of the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte? And if so, should you decide to do it, how would you start it and how and where? And when?
Wow. Eddie, wow. Wow. What a tough question bowed in my shoulder.
What?
Ladies and gentlemen, I believe in Article 3, Section 1 from 1987, Philippines Constitution states that no one should be deprived of the birth of their lives, liberty, property, and due process of law. Therefore, whether a man, a woman, a lesbian, or a gay, you still have the right to live in this world because I believe God grant me the serenity to accept the things that cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. With Him, I will be strong by means of my faith. When I'm losing hope, guidance for the answers. What would they give? The good life. Thank you.
I'm sorry, but I believe you have the wrong answer.
Sorry, sir. I have a right answer. You have a wrong question. Thank you so much.
And next candidate, please. I have no question for you. It's just that I'm intrigued that you won as the best in talent.
Yes, because Magsara is very unique, very different to other candidates.
Why unique and different?
Magsara is what you call a U1 minus 1.
U1 minus 1?
Yes.
Can you prove it?
Sample. Excuse me, can you help me? U1 minus 1. Wow. I want somebody to share.
O bakit?
Sabi, may dugo. Ayoko ng disco party.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, go!
Born at the door. I am not a toy.
our difficult question.
I think I would like to have a difficult question, please.
Wow, I would love this. Here we go. The world is going to the dogs, pessimists say, because nations go against nations. Brothers go against brothers. The whole world lives in an era of violence, in a continuous struggle for egoistic supremacy and selfish survival. Now, what is the square root of 222?
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Ever since I was a child, my father taught me never ever talk to strangers. And since you were a stranger, I'll never answer that question. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next candidate, please. Oh, Chelsea Manahan. How about you? Is your difficult?
Of course. Difficult.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What?
Basta.
Here we go. If you were to be sent to the South China Sea, how would you defend our territorial waters?
I need an interpreter.
Interpreter. For what language?
Espanol.
Espanol. AJ can speak Spanish.
Sí, señor, questionnaire.
How do you defend the South China Sea, our territorial waters? In Espanol, por favor.
Gracias. Señorita.
Yes, Inday. Bakit Inday?
Napur kaya na tanongan? Mayarialan kiya? Ganda ang mukha? Lakea ilonga?
Hoy! Ano na kaya ilongga?
Sir, from Iloilo.
Laking ilongga. Continue.
Napur kaya na tanongan? Ibaklaan, iputaan, so China Sea, ibaklaan, dumea? Balata? Damia o gata? Baklaan, sagota?
Your answer?
Tangina ka.
What did she say?
Oh, sir, foul pa.
Thank you very much. And finally, candidate number 8. Okay. How about you, Miss Doris? Do you want an easy or a difficult question?
Shoot me the most difficult.
Wow. No problem. Here we go. Explain to us anything and everything you know about global warming.
Ito naman, di ba, biro? I need also an interpreter.
Interpreter for what language?
Wait, ikaw na dito. Arabic.
Oh my God, you're going to regret this.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Explain global warming in Arabic.
Ano yun? Kev Halik.
Shlomek.
Kev Halik Stronger.
Sharmuta.
Ala, sharmuta pokpok yun.
Ika. Minta ka king circle. May wakang lalaki. Sinusume. Pengarap me. Na may ikaw 150 ang kapit ng kaskerido. Tanay ka mo! Kupayari, magbalik ka! Balik ka ni Malika. Sinake ka kayong G. Paano mo mulog ka impyerno tayo mo? Dano? Sagot ko.
Your answer?
Kapangit.
Ay.
I need another interpreter,
So what
sir.
language?
Chinese.
Well, AJ can speak Chinese.
C.
Anong si Chinese na?
China Sea.
Okay. Explain the one warning in Chinese.
你好，什么考了个什么给那个给我是？什么考了他妈妈是怎么考了个什么？不了考嘛，真正不了考，不能什么干那着，巴拉嘎，巴拉嘎，说了考了给嘛真上，巴拉给嘛那什么干嘛给当没了？
Your answer?
这个我这里啊，我那里就东西啊，这啊，我这啊，第一第二啊，知道，哎个，啊，那么多比较这啊，这嘛那个这，哎。
Asal lah kak? Alah kau aku senang kau Asal kau mau kau lagi macam mana? Alah kau mau macam mana?
Wow.
Delay yan, slow mo.
Sige, wala sila pag-ali siya. Wala sila, nakasosok ka na pala. Ang siya, siya. Ang siya. Mukha kang baka po kaya ha. Siya. Droga mania. Sige. Cha. Oh, siya. Alam ke.
Alam ke?
Round of applause for our candidates, ladies and gentlemen. And now, we give you the best in talent.